This video is sponsored by Unity Alfa Romeo. Well folks, I did a thing. Look at that. This one's going to be a bit controversial, I suspect. Right, I'm going to flip it around, let you see exactly what we've done here. Some lovely little matte graphite stripes. I was looking for a way to kind of tie in the grey carbon accents in here with the rest of the car. And if you look at it, let's do a little flyby. There you go. Up over the roof with the exposed carbon fibre and down to the tail. How do you like them apples? Is it too much? Is it not? And there's some little accents there that we did do as well. So I've been a busy boy today. It took me about 4 hours, but as you can see, it's a beautiful day here. And I'm just glad to be getting some work done on the cars. I have to say, overall, I wanted something that was classy. I was looking something that was quite subtle. If you can call a Montreal Verde Quadrifoglio subtle. But look at that, there's the old snake eating a baby. A little homage a bit to the kind of Ferrari stripes as well. And I wanted to make it just that little bit different. Different is good, as they say in Groundhog Day. I'm dead chuffed, I have to say. No doubt, no doubt the comments will start. I like it. My car, I'll do what I like, as they say. I'm going to try and do more now that the weather's improved a little bit. The 7 Series E38 is well underway. It's done nothing much for that for about 3 years or so. So we've got headlining, we got the alternator in, we got a few other bits and pieces, but that's for another video. This is for the ALFISSIMO out there. An absolutely stunner. I love this car. Let's get in. We'll have a bit of a chat. Well, let you know where I got the graphics and let you know what kind of issues I had whilst fitting them. So then, where did I get them? I got them at a place called Zen Graphics UK. They also have a store on Etsy, £142 delivered. And of course, these mimic kind of the stripes that were fitted to the racing edition back in 2020. They also have side stripes in the kit and a few other little bits and pieces, but it was really just the stripes for the roof, the 3 pieces, the bonnet, the roof, and the tailgate that I was interested in. So, Zen Graphics UK, via their Etsy store, we toed and froed as to colours and stuff like that. I was looking for a matte finish to kind of stand out texture-wise. I was looking for a subtle colour as well, and a conversation ensued, and we went for this graphite matte, which is also perforated, which is easy to apply. You don't get the little air bubbles in there. All in all, £142 delivered. I think ALFISSIMO in the States do a very, very similar set. I'm not sure that you're going to get the range of colours through them, and they are considerably more expensive. As far as fitting them were concerned, copious amounts of kind of soapy water off a little garden sprayer, and a hairdryer just to kind of set everything there as well. But there was much measuring and precision involved. It wouldn't be me if that wasn't the case. Am I happy with the result? Yeah, I think so. And the nice thing is, when I get bored, if I get bored, I can easily remove them. Now, the other thing that is a must-do for these sorts of things, this is considered a modification as far as some insurance companies are concerned, and my own, which is LV, no exceptions. The premium that I pay for this car, I've got a multi-car policy with this and the Range Rover, the L322, and it added a grand total of £8 for 4 months until my renewal. So, you know, 30 quid or thereabouts for the entirety of the year. If you didn't mention it to them, then you wouldn't be covered, and this is considered a modification. So, you know what, just a little cautionary tale there. Now, my favourite junction, manual first. Let's get it into dynamic mode, and let's go. Nice. So some of you will think it's tacky, some of you will think it's just sets the car off beautifully. I happen to like them. And it's my car, and I'll do what I like. And it's all about making it just that little bit different from me. So, subtle, not garish at all, in my opinion. Tell me what you think. Do you like the results? Do you like this subtlety? Do you just think they look too boy racer-ish? Maybe they are, but you know what? Let's celebrate our differences, as we say. Until the next time, all the best now. Bye-bye.